Hey everyone, if you're trying to import a file into Excalidraw and keep getting a file import failed error, the file won't load, or imported content appears missing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Excalidraw file import problems in 2026. First, verify that the file format is supported by Excalidraw. Unsupported file types are one of the most common reasons imports fail. Make sure you're importing a compatible Excalidraw, PNG, SVG, or other supported file format. Next, check whether the file is corrupted. Try opening the file in its original application or another compatible program to confirm that it works correctly. Another common fix is reducing the file size. Extremely large drawings, images, or exported files can sometimes cause import failures or performance issues. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of Excalidraw and the latest version of your web browser. Updates often include improvements to file handling and compatibility. Another helpful step is refreshing the page and attempting the import again. Temporary browser or application glitches can occasionally interrupt file processing. If you're using the web version, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can interfere with uploads and file imports. You should also verify that your internet connection is stable if the import process relies on cloud-based functionality. And that's how to fix Excalidraw file import failed errors in 2026. In most cases, checking file compatibility, updating your browser, reducing file size, and clearing cached data will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.